Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your case has some charge by checking the LED or the iPhone battery widget. Plug a lightning cable into a powered USB adapter, or place the MagSafe/Ki pad on a stable surface and set the case centered. Once connected or placed, put both AirPods in the case and close the lid for a few seconds to ensure contact. Make sure the case is not obstructed by thick covers. That can prevent the LED from. Once done with the initial connection, open the case next to your iPhone to see the charging animation and percentages. This confirms both case and earbuds are receiving power. If you're using wireless charging, make sure the case is aligned and the LED shows amber. That indicates active charging. You can also go into Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods, and view each earbud percentage to verify they're both charging evenly. Charge until the LED turns green and the iPhone shows full percentages. Generally 15-30 minutes gives you several hours of listening. If charging fails, try these steps. Place both AirPods in the case, close it for 30 seconds, then open and hold the case back button for about 15 seconds to reset pairing. If that doesn't help, swap cables or chargers to rule out a bad accessory. Inspect the case ports for debris, and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.